Show me how to do it again.
This is it, dear. That's how you do it.
I didn't catch that. Can you do it again?
I'll do the other side.
Okay.
That way you'll understand better.
You know I'm kind of slow.
Yeah, when you want to be.